huevita.
Nasty. Ah! No! Ah! Oh, damn, she did. Blam, shablam. She hit this shit. Go, hey! Ah! What? Oh my god.
But now there's nowhere to hide since you pushed my love aside. I'm out of my head.
I don't like sand. It's coarse.
Ese cuerpito que tú tienes, el traje de baño chiquitito te queda. Esa blanquita con el sol y de una ya se pone morena.
And always be together.
Oh my god, you got my screaming it then. His hairs! Re-wax! Oh my god, that scared the fuck out of me. Are you okay? Sana colita de rana. Oh lord.
Let me see if you still got eyebrows. You still got eyebrows?
You couldn't help but to get lost. I'm letting you know I'm ready to
Beatriz. The cops are coming for you.